Hi guys, my name is Rutuja and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 super cute simple hairstyles to flaunt this summer. So before we start the hairstyle, I'm just going to detangle my hair, and for this I'm using a white tooth comb made of neem wood, and it is so good for my hair. You can see how silky it is. Okay guys, so starting off with the first hairstyle, I'm just going to make a braid. You can just follow. I'm using this comb and I'm just going to do side partition, and on this side, on the right hand side, I'm just going to make a braid. I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to secure it with a pin. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get the hair front, and all we gotta do is just tie it with a rubber band. And now just take a little section of your hair and turn it around the ponytail, near your bow actually, and just tuck it inside. There you go. So now this is the second hairstyle. I'm gonna take a scarf and we're just gonna make a triangle. ये बन गया triangle, and now just fold it छोटू छोटू. This is how it should look like. Now we're going to use this as a rubber band. Okay, so just tie it around and normal tie a knot. Because this is how it's supposed to be. And I have a little frizzy baby hair, so for that I'm gonna take this aloe vera gel. It's just going to quickly frizz कहाँ जाएगा पता भी नहीं चलेगा. All this baby hair is gonna go in place. I'm gonna take this and just gonna apply. Okay guys, moving on to the third hairstyle. Now this is super easy and it's just like, we're gonna go back to our school days, and I'm just gonna partition my hair. I've done a side partition, you can do whatever you want. Very simple. I'm just gonna tie my hair. Something like that. And now I'm gonna make space here and just gonna put it across. Something like this. Okay guys, so this is how it should look like. Very simple. Just gonna remove my fringes to make it look cute. Okay guys, that is it for the video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and do try it out because it's super easy and super cute, yeah. And if you enjoyed the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Till then, see you.